Exploring idioms. Unraveling, a one-horse town. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, focusing on the phrase, a one-horse town. Understanding idioms like these can add color and depth to your English. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together. The phrase, a one-horse town, is used to describe a small, quiet, and perhaps insignificant place, often lacking in facilities, activities, or excitement. Picture a town so small and sleepy that one horse would suffice for its needs. It's a vivid way to express the quaintness or the limited scope of a place. Delving into the history, a one-horse town originated in the USA during a time when horses were a primary mode of transportation. In this context, a town with only one horse implied a lack of prosperity or significance. Understanding this background enriches our grasp of the phrase's connotations. Incorporating a one-horse town in your conversation can add a playful or descriptive touch. For example, I moved here from a one-horse town. This city's energy is overwhelming. She dreams of the big city, tired of living in a one-horse town. Notice how the phrase sets a vivid scene or expresses a sentiment without needing a lengthy description. While a one-horse town is understood and used in various English-speaking regions, it's essential to be mindful of the context. The phrase can be nostalgic, humorous, or even pejorative, depending on how it's used. In literature and movies, it's often employed to evoke a certain era or to contrast rural and urban life. Congratulations! You've added a one-horse town to your repertoire of English idioms. Whether you're painting a picture of a quaint, quiet place or yearning for more excitement, this phrase can add flavor and nuance to your conversation. Keep exploring and enjoying the richness of the English language. Until our next linguistic adventure, happy learning!